create garbage, teach the fundamentals, and reduce fear. Those are my 3 precepts.
Again, amazing advice. I'm learning so much from you still. And I'm so glad we are having this conversation. Maybe you're just this kind of guy. But one thing I've noticed from being involved in your classes more than once is that you tend to use a lot of humor. You have some charm to you. Not sure if people have told you that before.
Never. Actually, to be truthful, no, but go ahead. Now I'm blushing. Go
okay.
ahead.
Is any part of your personality, do you put on a teacher hat and then that turns into a smile and a joke, but you're different in your private life? Or are you just always yourself, exactly as you are?
No, definitely not. There's definitely a teacher persona. Definitely. When I'm not teaching, I'm quite happy being by myself. And I don't run around with a black cloud hanging over my head with teardrops coming out of my eyes. It's not that, but I have never been the life of a party, ever. Not once. I tend to be standing against the wall at any party, unless I'm in charge. If I'm in charge, then it's my job to make that party, whatever that party happens to be, it's my job to make that party as entertaining for everybody as I can. The switch goes on when I'm in charge. If for instance, I'm flying to LA next week to MC a choir concert. We'll have 800 people in the hall, and my job is to get on stage and introduce the songs and keep everybody in the audience happy. I'll tell jokes, I'll tell stories, I love that. I love it, but it's not me. That's my performer me. When I'm in the classroom, I could stand up in the front of the room and talk in a boring voice and put everyone to sleep, including myself, but students are paying, they don't realize it, but they're paying a fortune to attend that class, of which I get a small tithe. Nonetheless, there is a huge amount of money changing hands for that 1 hour of time we're together. The least I can do is make it worthwhile and entertaining and informative and as best as possible life-changing. And while I can't change everybody's life all the time, I will confess that the student ratings of my classes at USC have been through the roof. I have the best comment I've ever gotten happened in 4 consecutive classes when 4 separate students said that my class was the best class they ever had at USC. That's high praise.